Hello, it's Mama Mo here.
Here in my Grow Your Food series, you will see what I planted, how they grew. I will also show you ideas on how you eat what you plant.
Here's one of the basil plants I had sowed early in the spring, and I want to gather some of the leaves to make into pesto.
If you watch to the end, I'll show you how we made the pesto, but first, let me show you how the basil plant grew.
It's now April 1st, so this is the basil I planted on March 20th. It's time for me to put the taller ones in a separate pot just to encourage them to be more leafy. I believe the more leaves you collect, the more it will grow. Lola Nivela makes really good pesto with this.
Please remember to like and share this video. And as promised, here's the recipe for the basil walnut pesto. You're just putting everything into a mini chopper. There it goes. Giving it a little shake. And you just add the olive oil, seasoning of pepper and salt, and it's done. So you can have basil pesto on a focaccia, use basil as a garnish in a sandwich, or even make basil pasta. Make sure to watch all the videos in this Grow Your Food series and send me your suggestions for the plants to grow next year.